Hi GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to contour, blush, and highlight. Now everybody's face is different, so the way that I apply it on me doesn't mean that you need to apply it on yourself the same way, okay? Some people need to go higher, some people need to go lower, you know, with the blush and the contour and everything else. Now what I'm using here is the NYX contour stick. It's a combo of a contour and highlight. It's actually very, very good. The highlight's amazing. I'm telling you, this highlight is just amazing. When you, I don't know if you can see it because I'm so pale, but goodness.
Wow! Beautiful!
You can't even see it because I'm so pale. That's okay. But we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna look into my mirror because I can't see without my glasses. And we're gonna take this contour stick and I'm gonna place it on me right here. Okay? I don't know if you can see. There we go. I'm gonna do one side at a time because I don't want it to dry. Now I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender for this. I've used a brush for it before and it's harder to blend out. So we're gonna go ahead and blend this out and keep this blender full up here more. And then when you start seeing the blend, you're gonna start going down. Make sure you stay up here first though, because you want more product up here. And then you start moving it down. Okay? See how more product's up here? And you just keep blending until it is blended out. We'll do that and I'll be right back. Now keep in mind, while you're blending, you don't want to put too much product on at one time because it's easier to add than to take away. So I take my time with it. So I blend and then I add more if I feel like I need more. Okay? And what I also do is I'll blend it up here too. Right up here. Then keep going down. You see how subtle that is? You don't see a harsh line. When I step back, you can see like this line, but when you're up close, it's because of the lights. It's a nice, soft blend, very soft. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So usually what I do is I look straight into the mirror and I start right there. Move your hair back and let's start blending right up here. Okay. I only put a little teeny tiny bit. Looks like a lot, but I'll be blending that out. I just know that I need more. Make sure this beauty blender is damp, okay? It helps it blend better, for sure. Okay, so now you can see that it is blended. There's no harsh line up here, no harsh line down here. It is blended into here and coming back down soft, okay? So then I still take my stick and I put it at the top. Now my forehead's really small, okay? So I don't put a lot here because that's so much like hair, you know? So I don't want my forehead to look even smaller, but I do just put a little bit here. Just like this. Remember, little bit first and then add, okay? So we're gonna blend this out. And when I blended here, I did bring it up a little bit. When I blended here, I did bring it up just a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna keep blending this out. And do you see how it gives me a little bit more of a glow to my skin to match everything else? So you wanna frame the face, okay? And that looks pretty darn good. okay? And then the other thing that I do, which you don't have to, but I do, is I'll go under here just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now, if you do too much, it's not gonna look right because it's not your skin color. But, and then I'll blend it right into this one. So I'll blend it right into this on the side. Just blend it down a little bit. And it gives you kind of like a more of a chiseled, woman chiseled look. Alright, so since we blended here, and I blended a little bit down, make sure it's completely blended. I usually don't do my nose, but I'll do this for you guys today. I'm not a pro at any type of makeup, but I'll tell you, I am definitely not a pro at the nose, okay? But you can put, I put one line here already and I blended. I'm not putting that much, and it's also because I wear glasses, so it's just not really gonna show or anything, you know? So I'll just go ahead, look in my mirror, and blend that, and keep the blender here. Don't bring it to the middle, okay? And then we'll blend that until you see no harsh line there, okay? And then bring it to the tip. And then I'm gonna use my other side where nothing's on it and just go ahead and blend that out a bit, okay? So then the next step is your blush. You wanna put your blush on before your highlight, okay? This is the blush that I'm gonna use today. It's usually not the blush that I usually use because it is a little dark. So this is a blush bronzer type for me, and it has a little bit of shimmer in it. But I'll go ahead and use it today. And I'll use this is a double-sided brush, but I'm gonna use this angled brush, so it angles down, and it works really well, even for contour. So I wanna dab in that, tap, and I wanna start here. Always start in the back with your contour, blush, and even your highlight. You wanna kinda start in the back, and then work your way forward. So this is gonna be a little bit darker than an actual blush on me, and I do bring it up to the top. I like to stay around here and here. It brings my face up, my cheekbones up. I like that. So I'm gonna do the same for the other side. I'm not gonna use too much of this product because it is pretty dark on me, but you just wanna keep it over here. And as you can see, you can still see this glow in my skin, which in the previous video, I showed that I use glow drops, and they're amazing. I mean, I even set my face already, and you can still see the glow in my skin. That's not highlight, nothing. That's not even from this blush. Because my blush is up here. This is from my glow drops. If you like that glowy look, I would definitely tell you to go ahead and get some of that. It's a good investment for sure. And it helps your makeup stay on longer and everything, you know? So the next step is your highlight. Now I use, this highlight is amazing, I'll tell you. The Born to Glow by NYX. I use my fingers, okay? But this stuff is so good. I don't believe it has any glitter in it at all, because a lot of highlighters have glitter in them. And I don't really like that look, because it doesn't look natural to me. But this is amazing. You see the reflection that comes off of it? And imagine you blending it into your skin. I mean, that's just amazing. So I want to use some of this, just a dab, okay? I'm gonna look into my mirror, because you know me, I can't see nothing. And I'm just gonna dab two dabs on it, and then work it in. And I like to stay around here, where the light naturally shines on my skin. And you can see that. Oh wow, you can see that everywhere. That's amazing. That glow is amazing. So I'm going to take the rest that I have left and go ahead on the other side, and that'll be plenty. It's like one little drop. One little drop. And don't mind my nails, okay? Okay. Look at that. So I got the glow from the glow drops, and then here is the glow from the Born to Glow. It's amazing. So once you're completely done with all this makeup, even your eyebrows, your eyes. I'm not doing eyes and eyebrows in this video, but imagine all that done. And at the end, you want to set with a setting spray. Now I do have two different ones. One gives you more of like a dewy look, and then the other one not so much, but not a total matte either. So you want to shake it up, and then you want to spray it on. Imagine all my makeup done, my eyebrows and everything. Sorry. Once you spray, and I feel it's not sprayed here. Now you want to stay far away when you spray, not up close, because it's just going to stay there. So far away when you spray, and then I still take my same beauty blender, and where it is, I'll just go ahead and press that in. And that helps it press it in and stays on really well. I do use the e.l.f. and I also sometimes use the Maybelline Glass Spray, which that gives you that really dewy look. I don't want that because I'm already looking like that, you know? So Glam Fam, this is the end of this video. I hope it helps. Let me know in the comments if this helped you or not. And also let me know in the comments, give me some suggestions, like what would you like to see? Would you like to see any more tutorials of anything else? Put in your requests in the comments, and I'll be sure to look at them and definitely try to make videos for you. Okay, Glam Fam, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.